Hi everybody, today is baptism day. We're here in this beautiful state park in Bristol, New Hampshire, and we're going to have baptisms and cookout and fellowship. So I will try to give you some footage of that in a moment. In the meantime, I'm back at my car here and I gotta pick up the food I made. So I made this, I have this pulled pork here in this bag and some coleslaw in here and some drinks and stuff. So I'm going to take that over there. It's one glorious, wonderful, beautiful day out here. Check this lake out. I'll give you guys a better view later. Right now I'm running to the ladies' room. Or to the porta potty, one of the two. Has a nice volleyball area here. The nice areas they can do like frisbee or other grass games. You even have a park where they can play. Over here, this looks like slides and swings. And of course, a bunch of barbecue areas. Look like those ones are taped off. That slide must not be safe anymore. All right, well, so here's the beautiful lake. We're going to have baptisms in today. And I'm just doing a quick little walk around the park. And like, I really can't resist these swings. I really like swings. I'm not quite sure, but there must be another. I think that might be the bathroom right over there, the official bathroom. I'm gonna go walk over there in a minute. I didn't like the porta potty that much because it was too crowded. Too cramped and dirty. But all this lake, all this park has all kinds of barbecue areas and a play area. I can't resist these swings. I love to swing. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna get on one just for a little while. Why not? Whee! I feel like a little girl again. It's hard to do this while holding the phone. Nice view of the lake from back here, though. Okay. I think this will look funny on video, but that's okay. Some very pretty areas. I'm looking for a regular restroom because that porta potty just wasn't doing it for me. I think it's right over here, though. We went here last year, and it was a gorgeous day. Today is going to be somewhat partly cloudy. I'll give you guys a view of this lake. Imagine what it'll be like in the fall. In a couple weeks, it'll be really beautiful. The trees are just starting, like in certain areas, to change, but not quite there yet. But there are some. Beautiful and majestic. Down there. costs $5 a person to come here all day long. This isn't too bad. It could be worse. Not quite sure. This is restrooms or a store. But it looks funny. Maybe it could be both. I don't know. So I'm at the Wellington State Park, and we have Smokey the bear, park ranger. Let's see. Eagle Scout Project, Noah Gagnon. 2008 nature display. Birds, different birds. The blue jay, eastern bluebird, black cap chickadee. I get those in my house all the time. The purple finch, cardinal. I get those in my house all the time. The American robin, which I have seen those. The wrens, goldfinch, I've seen those. Perfect place for a nest. This captivity was created by hairy woodpecker, later occupied by red squirrel, and now inhabited by fine feathered friend, a bird. That's cool. Birds and feathers flocking together. These are the different flowers in Wellington. So if anyone wants to go for a nature walk and look at the flowers, they can. Alright, so it says men's dressing room and women's dressing rooms. Not quite sure if they have toilets, but I'm going to check. They look like they are. Alright, women's toilet. So and there's this store as well. That was a beautiful baptism ceremony we had. We had full people that got baptized. We had a family, a young couple that got married last week, and their daughter. They all got baptized today. And then we had an older member who I guess wanted to be rebaptized for maybe recommitment or a renewal of some sort of, I don't know. She wanted to renew her commitment to God or whatever it was. So she did it too. And it was beautiful. And now we're going to have a cookout in a little bit. But I'm running to the ladies' room. But I thought I'd walk and give you guys updates. This guy looks like he's moving his boat. You could see him moving his boat. I'm not sure if he's going to get in it, take off, or what. We'll see. We'll see what he's doing. I decided to continue this on. I was on live a little while ago if you guys want to see the rest of the lake. But I saw something I would put on my vlog. So this guy is moving his boat. I'm not quite sure what he's doing there. Well, I guess he disappeared. Cooking out here. He's something like almost done. He was talking away. Oh, someone decided they're going kayaking. That's kind of fun. Oh, look at these things. Oh, look at this motorboat. Yay. Finally seeing something in the lake. Nice. Oh, it's like way back there. Way back there. See, like that. There, oh, that one's really close. Oh, that looks like fun. And my friend here said she's going to read her Bible on the beach. I think that's awesome. Wow, I hope he's a good swimmer. It's pretty far back. So I just put my feet in the water and it's pretty chilly. My pastor's way out there. That's pretty far back. It's okay, he's having a good time. We have a couple more church members here playing in the water. And of course, thy word is a lamp unto my feet and a light unto my path.
Has the power to heal. It's alive and eternal. Brings a hope that's real.